If ever a product was deserving of the Hardkorr name, this battery box is it. It's tough as nails, has a massive list of features, and is exceptional value for money. On the front, you'll notice a digital display, which gives you battery voltage. You have two 12-volt cigarette sockets on the front with dual USB ports. Built into the side, you have four 50 amp style Anderson plug connectors, which acts as power in and power out. Additionally, a massive 175 amp Anderson style plug, which is great for running an inverter or our optional jump start kit. Additionally, this box is also compatible with our 6-meter dual wiring kit and our voltage sensitive relay. So if you want to turn your deep cycle battery into a portable power station or create a simple dual battery system for your vehicle, the Hardkorr battery box is the perfect choice for its features, quality, and value for money.